In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Adobe Lightroom Mobile App. Let's start by opening Lightroom on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so your edits can sync and back up. Lightroom's edits are non-destructive, which means you can experiment freely and always revert if needed. To bring in photos, tap the Add Photos icon, the blue gallery thumbnail with a plus sign in the bottom right. You can import straight from your camera roll or choose an album from connected cloud storage. Once your images appear in your library, tap any photo you want to edit to open it. Enter the editing workspace by tapping the Edit icon. At the bottom, you'll see panels that organize the main tools. Take your time here. Small, thoughtful adjustments go a long way, and zooming in helps you judge details accurately. Begin with the light panel to balance overall brightness. Use exposure first. Slide right to brighten a dark image or left to tame an overexposed shot. Next, adjust highlights to recover details in bright areas like clouds or reflective surfaces. Raise shadows to pull detail out of darker regions without blowing out the rest. Fine-tune the tonal extremes with whites and blacks. Small moves here set the true brightest and darkest points of the frame, adding contrast while preserving detail. If the image starts to look harsh, ease off until it feels natural. Switch to the color panel to correct tone and enhance hues. Temp and tint control white balance. Move temp right to warm up a cool scene or left to cool a warm interior. Tint can nudge magenta-green balance for more natural skin tones. Use vibrance to safely boost muted colors while protecting skin, and reserve saturation for subtle global changes. For targeted color edits, tap Color Mix, the color wheel icon. Choose orange to gently reduce overly orange skin, or select blue to shift a sky toward turquoise or deepen it for drama. Make incremental changes and compare to your starting point by briefly toggling before and after. Open the Effects panel to add texture and dimension. A modest increase in clarity and texture, around plus 10 to 20, can crispen details like fabric or architecture. Dehaze cuts through fog, haze, or window glare with a single slider. Add a slight negative vignette to darken corners and guide attention toward your subject. If you have a premium subscription, you'll unlock Lightroom's smartest tools. In masking, the dotted circle icon, choose Select Subject or Select Sky to isolate areas automatically and edit just that region. Generative Remove, the eraser or band-aid icon, lets you paint over distractions like tourists or power lines. Adobe's AI fills the background realistically. When you're finished, tap the share icon at the top right. Choose Save to Device to place the final image in your camera roll. If you need specific output, pick Export as to set dimensions, such as 2048 pixels for social or to include your watermark.